What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to auto generate 10,000 or more NFTs all at once. You just need all the layers for the NFT, like you need your background, your base, your hats, your glasses. If you don't know how to do that, just go to the link in the description, and I made a video about this. Okay, so now when you're here, you want to go to the link in the description. You want to press on the link, the Invincibles.club link. It's going to take you to this page right here. Then you want to say add new project after you signed up. Now what you want to do is you want to say plus on group, and now you want to call it just the name of your NFT. I'm just going to say pandas. Doesn't really matter. Now you just want to press that arrow down. Now you're going to add all your layers for you that you have. So your base, your background, your chains, your hats, your glasses, whatever you have. So add layer. I'm just going to start with background because that's what I want first. Then on my background I want the base to be. Then on my base I want my hats to be. And then after hats I want glasses. Okay, so you just add all your layers that you have, and when you're done with that, you just press on it, background. Okay, now you're gonna go and you're just gonna put your background on. So wherever your backgrounds are in your folder, you're just gonna go and you're just gonna drag it in exactly like this. Few backgrounds and drag them in. There we go. Now go to base, click on base. Okay, so now that you have all your layers in, you have all your background, your base, your hats, your glasses, whatever layers you have, okay, and you drag them in. Now what you want to make sure for is you want to make sure they're in the correct order. Remember, if you have your base before your background, like if your background is before your base, it's just not going to work, okay? So you want your background to be first, then you want your base of your NFT, and then everything that comes on it. So you want it in correct order, so just think a little bit about it, and then you'll know what I mean about that. So if you want to change something, for example, if your background is after your base, you just do this, okay? So you just click right next to it, just click on, hold it in, and just drag it. So mine was right, so I'm just going to put my background, I want then my base, then my hats, then my glasses. So if you want your glasses before your hats, for example, I'm actually going to do that. Glasses, then hats, then just drag it and put it there. Now you want to say generate images right here. Now you want to take the amount of images, you can up to, literally you can go up to millions if you want to. So I'm just going to do 100, then just press generate, take a few seconds, they can see everything to be generated, and there you have it. I have literally 100 of NFTs, totally random, and now you can go. So now it's just going to give you this file. You just want to open it and you want to extract it into your files, but I don't have WinRAR at the moment. You need WinRAR for this to work, but it's free. You can just watch a video on how to do it. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Hope this helped you guys. Please leave a like and subscribe if it did help you, and go support my NFT collection in the description if you want to. It's only $25 cash free, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.